Okay, so yesterday we talked about polynomials. What are the three names for polynomials? Monomial, trinomial, binomial. Okay, we also talked about coefficients. What are coefficients? They're the number in front of the variable. Good. How about constants? Number without a variable. Okay. And degree. What isn't the degree? The largest exponent. Okay. Degree goes with what we're going to talk about today, which is standard form. So how standard form works is all you do is take the problem they give you and you write it in order with the biggest exponent first, okay? So when it's written in standard form, one second, let me fix my pen. Terms are in order from smallest exponent. Oh, sorry, not smallest. Wow. From largest exponent to smallest. You have to have a full year. You could and take something else next year. Okay, standard form. Terms are in order from highest degree to lowest degree, or largest exponent to smallest exponent. Okay, with that, you can also find a leading coefficient. This is our last new word, or new term. Leading coefficient. Okay, what this means is when you put the problem in standard form, so the number with the biggest exponent is first, it's the number that's in front of that. Okay, so it is the number at the beginning of a polynomial written in standard form. Okay, so you write this in order in standard form, and then whatever number ends up at the front, that's the leading coefficient. Okay. These are directions. No. Okay, write down the directions because we're going to do some examples. Write in standard form and identify leading coefficient. Write down the directions, please. I have 3 examples ready. If I need to make up more, I will. This is it. Okay, so the first one, 7 minus 3x squared plus 4x. First thing, we got to write this in standard form. So in standard form, what term would come first? Which one has the highest degree? The negative 3x squared. So we're going to write this down first. Okay, what's the next highest degree?
7.
The 4x, right? Because this is a 1. So you put plus 4x. What's the only thing that's left? 7, and it's positive 7, so you put plus 7. That's all it takes to write it in standard form.
So we just go by that.
Yes. You look at the exponents. What's the leading coefficient, people? So look at the definition. Tell me what the definition of a leading coefficient is. So it's -3, the number at the beginning of the problem written in standard form. -3. All right, let's try another one. X squared plus 4 plus x to the 3rd minus 2x. See if you can put it in order. Write it down, don't shout it out. Should be from highest exponent to the lowest exponent.
And are we doing the same thing as the other box?
What term has the highest exponent, people? X to the 3rd. What's next? Plus x squared. What's next? What's last? Beautiful. What's the leading coefficient? Ooh. A leading term is x to the 3rd, right? If there's not a number, there's a 1. So the leading coefficient is 1.
So you know that because
Whenever there's not a number in front of the letter, it's a 1. What's the first number when you write it in standard form? All right, last one. Here we go. (5x) plus 6x to the 4th plus 3x squared minus 2. All right, write down your answer.
I'm done. It's the yes, it is. He said. No. At first, I said
Okay, what should go first, guys?
6x4.
6x to the 4th. What's next?
3x2.
3x squared. Then what?
5x.
And last,
2.
minus 2. What's the leading coefficient? Beautiful. Questions about how to do this? All right, so on Canvas, there is a homework assignment.